Hey guys, I just picked up this Empyre 450 outdoor wood burning stove from a buddy of mine who was getting rid of it, I guess you could say. Probably never going to use it again. It's actually got a hole inside it in the firebox, and so there was water leaking inside, which was never good. And I've got a little smudge going inside this thing right now, and you can see smoke coming out of these water lines. It's very minimal, but it's there. So that's not good. So I think maybe my goal is with this would be to tear it apart and see what needs to be patched in the inside. Maybe try and restore it. I don't know much about it. I did get the owner's manual online. It's not digital, which is fine with me. The old analog system's pretty tried and true. So it should work. He was using this thing up until just this year, till it sprung a leak. I'm not sure what this hose is. Looks like some sort of overflow, perhaps from the water system. And it does need a door gasket. You can see that. And if we look inside, without steaming the camera up, not sure if the light will be able to pick that up, but there's a patch. It's just kind of steamy, isn't it? I can look inside with the light. There's a patch on the back in the middle, if you can see that. I have got to get this thing unloaded. We had a hard time loading it. We had to use the winch on the trailer just to drag it up, and his tractor to push it on. It weighs about 2,500 pounds, so I'll see if the old Zetor can pick this thing off with the hook at the back there, and we'll get it unloaded and set it in its temporary resting place. Yeah, like I said, I would like to pull all the siding off and see if that helps a better view of what's going on. I do have the ash box and the door for the back, so it is complete. I just really don't know much about it. So anyway, we'll pull this out back. We'll see if we can take it off the trailer. Alright, I got the straps off. Chain's hooked in the lift point there at the top. Just go and grab the tractor now, hook the chain to the loader, and like I said, hopefully the loader can lift 2,500 pounds. Because if not, I don't know what the other plan would be. Well, managed to safely put it on the ground. I really didn't think that was going to happen. Both safely and putting it on the ground. But the old Zetor lifted it. I can't believe it. So that's great. So here's its resting place for now. This is probably where I'll start stripping it. Look to see if I can rebuild it, clean it up, get it to look a little better, fix the holes on the inside. At some point somebody's going to have to be stuffed inside this firebox and scrape it and see just how bad the sides are. Luckily it's not huge. And like I said, it has been patched before, so that's a good sign that it can be patched. But anyway, here it is. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier, but if anybody has one of these stoves, especially this model, like I said, it's an Empyre 450. Tell me about it. Let me know what you think, how it works. If you have any pictures you can share of perhaps this equipment here. I know there's supposed to be a piece of plexiglass in here to keep this out of the weather and relatively looking half decent, which that piece is long gone. Still got our night light here for loading in the dark. I just threw on the back cover there, cover the water lines. Not because I have to, it's because I just had that piece laying around. Now I'm just going to jam in this ash box, and that'll be it. And then this will be pretty much where it sits until I get a chance to look at it. There we go. I can't imagine I'll start stripping this beforehand because it'll just sit stripped. If I get ambitious, it's here ready to go. So there it is. Hopefully there's more videos in the future of this thing coming apart or seeing how we can fix it, or maybe we can't. But anyway, thanks again for watching, guys, and please feel free to chime in if you have one of these to help me out. We'll talk to you soon.